Welcome to aminacademy.com. In Euclid geometry, let us discuss about a transversal. A line intersects two or more lines at a distinct points is called transversal. In the figure, the line intersects the lines M and N at the points P and Q respectively. Therefore, the line L is transversal of the lines M and N. Here the line is L. Here it intersect two distinct line M and N at a distinct point P and Q respectively. Then the line L is called a transversal of those lines. Now let us discuss about the angles formed. Here the angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 we are taken in order. Now let us talk about each type of angles here. Exterior angles. The angle 1, 2 and 7 and 8 are called exterior angles, which means it's outer part of the two lines. Here, look at this figure here. Here, two lines is intersected by, here this is L, this M, this M and N line M and N. This line is L, that is a transversal. We are getting a angles outer part, means here angle 1, angle 2, 7 and 8. Those angles are outside part of the two lines. So these are exterior angles, means 1, 2, 7 and 8. Next one, interior angles. Look at the same lines. Here two lines are there, M and N, a transversal like this L. Here interior angles we are talking about. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Those angles is in between the two lines. That means interior part of that lines. Those angles are called interior angles. Here angle 3, 4 and 5 and 6 are interior angles. Next, pair of angles. First one, corresponding angles. Look at this figure. Two lines. Here L, M and N. The line M. Here line N. The transversal L. This corresponding angles. Suppose here 1 is corresponding to angle 5, means the position of both angles at same manner, means above the line in left side of the transversal, that is 1. Angle 5 also above the second line and left sides of the transversal is called a corresponding angle. And 2 and 6, here the number 2 and 6 is also corresponding, since number angle 2 is above the line of M and right side of the L. Here the angle 6 is above the line of N and right side of the transversal 6. Like that, 4 and 8, 4 and 8 is also corresponding, because those angles are in corresponding position of the both lines M and N. Like 3 and 7 also correspond. 3 and 7. Here the angle 3 is here and angle 7 is here. both are corresponding angles. Here all set of angles are corresponding together. Next, alternate interior angles, that is called alternate angles itself. Here see, look at this figure. The line M and N, the transversal L, alternate interiors angle. Suppose take that interior angle here, this angle 3, here this is 5. Here angle 5 and angle 3 are alternate side of the transversal L as well as inside part of the line M and N. So these angles like 3 and 5 are alternate angles, as well 4 and 6. Here this angle 4, we name it different color, angle 4 and angle 6 also alternate interior angles. Now we will do alternate exterior angles. Here two lines are there, M and N. Suppose a transversal L here. Exterior angle, alternate exterior angles. Here angle 1 and the same angle here, alternate exteriors here, angle 7. Angle 1 and 7 are outside part of the line M and N respectively, as well one is left side of the transversal and 7 is the right side of the transversal. So these angles are alternate exterior angle. As well here angle 2 and angle 8, this also alternate exterior angles. Next, consecutive interiors angle, which means co-interior or allied angles. Consider these two lines. Here this M and this N, the transversal like that is L. Here consecutive interior means this angle 3 and the angle 4, angle 3 and angle 5. Angle 3 and angle 5 is called consecutive interior, means both angles formed in right side of the transversal, as well as it is one angle 3 is down to M and angle 5 is about to N, means both near, both together it formed, means angle 4 and 5 together formed, both are called consecutive interior. Now one more set of consecutive interior is here angle 4, angle 5. Here angle 4 and angle 5 is formed left side of the transversal, as well as both are interior part of the M and N. So these are called consecutive interior angles. Now, relation between pair of angles when M is parallel to N. Suppose the two lines are parallel. Here this is M and N. The transversal crossing here. Now note the angles in order. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here set of angles 1 equal 5 means corresponding angles 1 equal 5 is corresponding if the lines are parallel, as well 2 equal 6, angle 2 equal angle 6. Here these also corresponding angles, as well 4, 8. 4 is also corresponding angles, and 3, 7 also corresponding, as well. One more set we can tell alternate angles also equal means here alternate axis angle 1 is also equal is angle 7, angle 2 also equal angle 8, then angle 4 put angle 3, angle 3 equal alternate interior with angle 5, angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Here lot of set of equal angles formed when parallel line is intersected by the transversal.